Presentation 9. Know the product. We admire people that really know their stuff. How do you be one of those? When you know about something, it's not just knowing the dates and names. An even higher knowledge is understanding the why of something, how it works. You get such understanding by being a collector of why knowledge. It's a little like mining. For example, a typical class will have dozens of dates and names, but maybe there's only one principle of why something works. That's the gold. Teachers that really know their stuff teach more why. Some others may never teach any why. Think of the music teacher that never discusses your effect on the listener. To try this, when you're learning a topic, pay attention to the why knowledge and gather it. Find teachers or books that teach you more why. When you prepare your speech, fill your talking points full of why knowledge. That is the stuff in the people that know their stuff.